The kidney beans, which get their name from the shape of their kidneys, are not just another type of legume. The reddish-brown beans are a nutrient-dense powerhouse that has the potential to completely improve your health in a variety of miraculous ways. Are you ever curious about the reason behind the popularity of those tiny red kidney beans? A journey through the world of kidney beans and the ways in which they can perform wonders for your health is something I would like to take you on. Trust me, by the time you finish watching this, you will want to incorporate them into your meals on a regular basis. If you want to improve your health, you should consume kidney beans on a daily basis. So, now let's get started. Number 1. Suitable for diabetics to consume. Kidney beans are in your best interest if you are trying to monitor the amount of sugar in your blood. The fact that they have a low glycemic index indicates that they contribute to maintaining a healthy balance of blood sugar. This is of the utmost importance since it lowers the likelihood of acquiring diabetes and enhances the management of diabetes in individuals who already have the condition. Kidney beans are like a reliable companion who never fails to meet your expectations. They maintain equilibrium and consistency, ensuring that your blood sugar levels do not experience a wild ride. It's a wonderful thing to know that something that tastes so good can also be so beneficial to your health. Number 2. Boost your energy levels. A constant feeling of exhaustion? Your diet might benefit from a higher manganese intake. This mineral is abundant in kidney beans, and it is an essential component in the metabolic process of your body. In order to provide you with the much required boost to get through the day, this mechanism breaks down nutrients in order to produce energy. The spark that ignites the fire within your body is manganese. Think of it that way. You can rest assured that your body will have all of the energy it requires to keep you going strong, since kidney beans contain a significant amount of manganese. Number 3. It helps to improve your memory. Want to increase the power of your brain? Kidney beans are an excellent source of vitamin B1, which is beneficial to the brain on a daily basis. The production of acetylcholine, an essential neurotransmitter that contributes to the proper functioning of your brain, is facilitated by this vitamin. It acts as fuel for your brain, supporting your ability to concentrate and remember information more effectively. Imagine being able to easily recall names, dates, and other significant information. This is the magic that vitamin B1 in kidney beans can do for you. They act as a natural brain enhancer, assisting you in maintaining your sharpness and concentration. Number 4. They reduce cholesterol levels. The heart is something that is important to every one of us, so let's begin with that. Kidney beans are an excellent source of cholesterol-lowering nutrients that can help you maintain a healthy cholesterol level. What is it, you ask? In addition, they contain a significant amount of dietary fiber and complex carbs. There is a gel-like substance that forms in your stomach as a result of the soluble fiber that is included in kidney beans. In addition to preventing cholesterol from being reabsorbed into your system, this gel also acts as a barrier against its absorption. By doing so, it is as if you have a miniature superhero fighting off cholesterol baddies within your digestive system. Your bad cholesterol, also known as LDL, can be reduced, and your good cholesterol, also known as HDL, can be increased if you make kidney beans a regular part of your diet if you do so. The good news is that this is beneficial to your heart and has the potential to lower your risk of developing heart disease. Who knew that something so insignificant could have such a powerful impact? Number 5. Reduces the risk of hypertension. Protein, potassium, magnesium, and soluble fiber are all high in kidney beans, making them an excellent source of these nutrients. Hypertension, also known as high blood pressure, can be reduced with the help of certain nutrients, which work together to accomplish this. Your arteries and blood vessels will be able to expand with the support of potassium and magnesium, which will ensure that blood flows smoothly. Potassium and magnesium are like highways. They ensure that these highways are wide and clear, preventing traffic jams like high blood pressure. Imagine that your blood vessels are highways. Keeping your blood pressure under control and ensuring that your heart remains healthy are both benefits of eating kidney beans. Number 6. Relief from asthma and arthritis. The consumption of kidney beans has been shown to alleviate the symptoms of asthma and arthritis. Due to the high levels of copper that they contain, they have the ability to reduce inflammation and assist in the maintenance of flexible ligaments and joints. An individual who suffers from rheumatoid arthritis may find this to be of special use. The magnesium content of kidney beans is also high, and this mineral has a bronchodilatory effect, which means that it helps to relax the airways and makes breathing easier for people who suffer from asthma. Consuming kidney beans on a regular basis can assist in the management of the symptoms associated with both asthma and arthritis, thereby making day-to-day life a little easier. Number 7. Migraine treatment and relief. It is possible that kidney beans can be of assistance to those who suffer from migraines. Magnesium, which is known to prevent headaches of this terrible nature, is present in these products. In addition, magnesium helps to maintain a healthy blood pressure, which means that it offers twice the advantages. Consider magnesium to be a sedative that works within your body to soothe your nerves and protect you from experiencing those excruciating migraines. On account of the high magnesium content that kidney beans possess, they have the potential to be a natural remedy for preventing headaches. Number 8. Makes your bones stronger. Kidney beans are an excellent source of manganese and calcium, both of which are necessary for the development of healthy bones. The illness known as osteoporosis, which causes bones to become more fragile and prone to fractures, can be prevented with the help of certain minerals. The folate that is included in kidney beans works to promote bone and joint health, hence lowering the likelihood of developing bone problems. Imagine that your bones are a robust framework. The building components that maintain this structure strong and durable are magnesium and calcium found in your bones. The consumption of kidney beans can help maintain healthy bones because they contain these vital elements. Have you found this video helpful? Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you may watch further helpful videos that are similar to this one. Our goal is to ensure that you are healthy, so thank you for watching.